Just cruising along on the river here. It always turns me backwards. I can't see where I'm going. Pretty good clip though. This is relaxing. Cheers. Tell them where we are.
Camping again.
Yes.
We are at Ozark Outdoors. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
No, Ozark. Yeah, Ozark Outdoors.
We've been here twice before. Well, we were at the Onondaga Cave Campground.
That's right across from Onondaga Cave.
Yeah.
State Campground. Near,
we haven't had any.
We have not had any. Leesburg?
Yeah, it's south of Leesburg.
By Cuba, Missouri.
Yeah.
Kind of bit by there.
Leesburg is just a 338 or population or something. It's a real small town.
This is a very big campground. If you like to float, this is the place to come.
This is a understatement. This is a real big campground.
It is really big.
We don't know how many slots. We're here on July 5th, so the park, the side we're parking on, is completely empty. The middle, there's only a handful of campers.
There's probably like 10 to 20 campers here, maybe.
Yeah, in the whole park.
But normally it's not like this. But it's definitely a place to come if you'd like to float. They offer shuttles. There's the float that they do here, like you put in at the top of the campground and you float all the way down to the bottom, and it takes like about an hour. And they'll put you in, you can rent tubes here. They do actual float trips further down, or up, I guess.
And shuttles, right.
And shuttle down. There is a pool here. All kinds of shower houses and changing houses. I think there's 4 separate houses.
Well, as many slots as they have to have a lot of shower houses.
Yeah. It's nice.
It is. It's a nice area.
On weekends, I think they usually have bands. And on weekends, there's a restaurant here that's open on weekends.
Yep.
And there's a store here. There's volleyball. There's basketball.
And I think the river's the main draw.
I do too. The river is why you come here, which we come here today, and guess what? It rained.
We're probably, what, 70 miles from home? Not even that far, probably. And the only reason, if you watched our last video, we were on Route 66, we had some issues. We had a tire that was cracking.
Well, we knew we had to get new tires, so when we got home,
tires.
We bought new tires right away. Well, then when I was in the camper, I felt something, and we had a leak on where the kitchen is at.
The back window.
The back window was leaking. Mike fixed the water damage. Got that fixed.
And it looks like it never happened.
It looks good. We'll show you.
The air conditioner was staying on all the time.
Yeah, the air conditioner was never shutting off. Which is okay, at least we had air.
Yeah.
But it would freeze you out.
Yeah, it would get cold at night, but I bought a new thermostat from Amazon, put it on there, and it's working fine now. It shuts off and comes back on. Well, we said all those things we fixed. Probably the best thing you could do after doing a lot of fixing is do a short trip, local. We could have stayed at our city park if we'd have been thinking about it.
We could have, but it's July.
Yeah.
And I wanted to stay
where we could go to the pool and the river.
The river, and this was like the perfect spot and not that far from home. So if something happens,
we can always
just
hook
go back home.
And next year, we're throwing around the idea that we'd like to get a different camper.
We have used this camper.
We
have used it a lot. But we have fixed everything on it now. Is there anything that hasn't been fixed?
We haven't had to replace the air conditioner. We had to replace the refrigerator. We did buy a different mattress. The floor is all new.
You had to replace, when we were out somewhere, you had to fix the pipe or something. You could fix that.
We had a broken pipe underneath.
Fix that.
Where were we at when that happened?
We were in Alabama, I think.
Yeah. I heard some YouTube channel we watched that if you use it, it's like a little earthquake back there. It doesn't matter how good a quality one you buy, you're going to have to do maintenance and you're going to have to repair things.
Yeah, I think you just The key, I think, is maintaining it and
Yeah.
maintenance of it, and just not letting it sit somewhere. And
Okay, come back tomorrow and see what happens. So we're going on an evening walk. Been a while since we've done an evening walk, Kathy.
yeah,
We saw a lot of vehicles coming down this dirt road, so we're gonna go check it out. Behind us here, all these, all the way, I don't know if you can see, all the way around the corner there are camping spots. They're not concrete, they're all gravel. That one over there is a restaurant cabin. There's bathrooms. This one, we're not sure. But behind the big white sign over there is where you check in at. It's a big building and has a massive store in it too.
yeah, I forgot to say that if you don't have an RV or a travel trailer, whatever, there's cabins here.
Yeah, lots of cabins.
Lots of cabins.
Shoot, we must have walked a mile down to the other end of this campground.
I think it's only half a mile, because I think this loop right here is a
Is
mile.
a full mile?
Because it's the name of it. It says mile. I think it's Merrimack Mile.
Oh,
So I'm guessing
so this loop might be a
this
mile.
loop is a mile.
Seems further though.
It might be less than an hour to float it. Look
Yeah.
how fast it's flowing.
It's going pretty good. This is the Merrimack River.
There's a person way over there, across.
Oh yeah. Pretty, and this is, I'm guessing, the rustic. No hookups, just porta potties and tents. Well, we're getting close to the river and somebody's ready to go swimming. I'm not
Not me.
talking about her. I'm talking about this girl. She loves getting in the water. This is the area that they put people in to float down the river. You can see all the floaties, kayaks, canoes all over the place.
All right, you can go.
And there she goes. Girl loves water, but you can't give her a bath. How's the water, Piper? She always has to bite it.
Is it good?
And we're gonna get a shake.
Is that good?
Did you enjoy that?
Good. Yeah.
On the other side of this bridge, over on this side, is the Onondaga State Park. Great cave. Kathy doesn't do caves. She's a little claustrophobic, so.
For July, it feels kind of cool, doesn't it?
It does.
I'm thinking, I hope it's hot tomorrow if we're going to be floating. I want it to be hot.
So these are all the spots.
Pull throughs.
Pull through all the way down. We're clear over there. I think this is all we're doing this evening. So we'll take you guys along our adventure tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Night.
This is where we were at.
So we're going on a float trip. That means we're getting inner tubes and floating down the river. They supply a shuttle. We go from one end of the campground clear to the other end.
Thank you.
So you signed a waiver when we got here? Because they just called up our camping waiver.
Right. That one that you had to come back in?
Oh, that's what I signed?
Yes.
There's a big fifth wheel over the bridge.
This is nice.
So this is our hour.
Our plan for the day.
Our plan for the day. You can do this tour, well, you can do it as many times as you want. The shuttle's,
Until stops at 4.
yeah, last one's at 4.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got sunscreen on,
Got my drink.
got
I
a
got
tea.
little snacks.
Kathy always has to have snacks when we go. Oh, we're cooking along now.
We are. I think it's going to take less than an hour. Oh,
Yeah.
What time is it? We'll see.
I don't have a watch.
We don't know.
We don't know. We're just cruising. The river travels about 1 mile an hour, 2 miles an hour at the. That's why it only takes about an hour. So, are you chilling?
I am. It's nice.
Leisurely pace, isn't it?
Very. Very. Nice, relaxing. I'm pushing us this round out of the water. Out of the tube, I meant. Not out of the water. I'm out of my tube walking us, and you could do it next time.
So where that sycamore leans over is a good place, or that rock pile is a good place to get out and walk.
Yeah.
Looks like we got a pretty good flow in here right now.
It does. Now, the key, I have to get back in.
And I may film that. It might be some good slow motion video.
But I don't want to get my stuff wet.
Well, you're here.
So,
Set it on me.
Lap.
This is relaxing. Clouds are starting to move in. I think we'll probably do this another time. Whatever the boss lady says. I'm not moving the camera. This is the way these inner tubes spin around. You can see the clouds moving in. What a beautiful day though. Not too hot, not too, I was going to say cold, but we're July 6th, I think it is. There's my girlfriend right there. Well, good morning. It's Tuesday morning. I'm just going for a walk this morning over to the restrooms. You can see behind me here, there's just a few campers here. This is a big RV park. Kathy's in our camper back in there making breakfast. And this is go home day. We're only about an hour, 10 minutes from home. It's not that far. Once we get up to Leesburg, we're on I-44 interstate. So over there is, I guess, during busy weekends, that's a bar underneath there. And then there's a big game room above it. This basketball court right there is new since we've been here. Over there's where all the main buildings is. They have lots of cabins, and underneath the cabins, that's where their shower houses are. There's some cabins up the hill there. And then just the other side of this building, up on the hill, there's a pool. So this is the little closed off bar area here. They got cornhole games and a TV in the corner there. Here is one of these sites. They're not, I mean, they're just gravel. They're not paved or concrete or anything like that. But they're nice. We're way over there all by ourselves. And that's our closest neighbor. Right over there. They do have, we thought they charged, but they do have free Wi-Fi. And it's not bad. We had fun yesterday. Floated the river on the inner tubes twice. I forgot how much it was, like $26 a day. You can do it as many times as you want. I think if you had kids, this would probably be a good place to bring them. They could play on the river all day. These green buses up here are where you get on the tube loop. And it's fun.
It is fun.
And up here is where the main check-in place is. They have longer float trips too. They have back there in the shed, and there's quite a few missing, so they must have people out. But that they do long, what do you call it? Raft, kayaks, and canoes. I'm not sure what they call this, the sky park or something. No, floating treetops. And they have cables and bridges and everything. I think our grandkids did it when they were down here. They took all these old canoes and piled them up here. It's kind of neat to see. I think they've done some work. I don't remember these steps being here, or they were covered with weeds last time.
They were here.
Were they?
Oh, Piper's on the run.
Piper wants to check it out. Look at all the canoes they put in here. It's kind of cool.
So if you're ever in Missouri and you're by St. Louis, between St. Louis and
Springfield.
Springfield,
On I-44.
this is a good place to come.
It's
So
family, a lot of family
yes,
activity.
fun for the kids, fun for adults. If you like floating or just sitting out on the weekend would be fun because I think that the restaurant's open and then I think they have bands come in.
Yeah.
So the weekend would be fun, but weekday was perfect for us though.
Yeah, we came in the 5th of July and today is the 7th. We're heading home today. We just wanted to test our camper. Everything worked great. So we're ready for our bigger trip to Kansas in a couple weeks, right?
A couple weeks, yeah.
So
come
come
Ozark
back.
Outfitters, good place to come.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Come back next time we have another adventure and see where we go.
Who wants to go?
Bye.
Bye.